Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the PyCharm Unified version on Windows 11. For that, first we will install the current Python version. Then we will install the PyCharm Unified version. After that we will connect both PyCharm and Python. And in the end we will run our first Python program on PyCharm. So let us start. First we will install the current Python version. First go to the web browser. On Google type Python and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. After reaching the website, go to the downloads menu. Here the current version is visible and it's for Windows. Click on the button to download Python. I clicked on it and the download started. Let's wait. We downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Here I'll select use admin privileges. With that I'll also select add Python to path. After that click customize installation. Now optional features are visible. It will also install pip. Pip is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. With that it will also install IDLE, which is an IDE to run Python programs. We will also see this later. This installation will install Python for all users. Click next. Advanced options are visible. Select install Python for all users. Python will get installed in the following location. Keep it as it is and click install. Let's wait. The setup is now successful. Click close. Now let us verify the installation of Python. Go to start, type cmd, click open. Now let us type the command python space -- version and press enter. The current version is visible. That means we successfully installed Python. So guys, we successfully installed the current Python version. Let us now go to the web browser and install PyCharm. Go to Google and type PyCharm. Press enter. The official website is visible, jetbrains.com. Click on it. On clicking, click the download button. Here you can see the PyCharm version is visible, Unified Product. Click the download button. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The PyCharm setup started. Click next. The following is the location where PyCharm will get installed. Keep it as it is and click next. Let us click here to create a desktop shortcut. After that click next. Click install. The installation started. Let's wait. We have installed PyCharm. Click finish. Now our desktop shortcut is also visible. We can double click here. Now PyCharm will open. Here is the agreement. Click I confirm. Click continue. We started PyCharm. Click new project. Here it automatically detected our Python version. Let us click here. Under program files, here it is Python and here is the path. It automatically added the same path. Click cancel. Here you can see it automatically detected our Python installation. Okay. This is the location of the project where our Python project will get saved. Click create. Now our first Python project will get created in PyCharm. So here is our new project. Okay, first I'll click here. Go to view. Click appearance. Click main menu and click show above main toolbar. Okay, now it's fine. I'll create a new file. Right click. Click new. Click Python file, or we can also click right here, new Python file. Under the new environment, add the name. Let's say I'll mention demo. When I'll press enter, it will automatically add the .py extension because Python file is by default selected. So our demo.py created successfully. Here it is. Now let us run our first program. I'll close this. It's not required. So let us create our first program. To print in Python, we use the print method. So whatever I'll add inside this will get printed. So I added my name. I'll go to file and click save all. Now let us run our file. Right click and click run demo. Here it is. We successfully ran our first Python project on PyCharm. For a free PyCharm and Python tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.